Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in the previous lecture we have discussed about the antimicrobial drugs, and now in this topic we are going to talk about few examples related to the antimicrobial drugs. So what are those? Let me talk about the structural formula of those in this topic. So friends, in this topic we are going to talk about the antimicrobial drugs structural formula. So what are those? That is, the first one is Salvarsan. So in this case the structure is very much similar to that of the azodine. So in this case this is the benzene ring, and obviously it has a connection, and we can see that is there is NH2 bond that has been associated over here on this carbon atom, and there is hydroxyl group, that is OH. Here basically two arsenic atoms are basically associated with each other, having a double bond between them, and this is the same structure that is what we have saw over here, and this is the benzene ring that has an association with this OH and this NH2. So therefore this is the structure of Salvarsan, which is in fact an antimicrobial drug. So talking about the next structure, we have the next one is azodine. So in this case also we can see that is the two benzene rings are joined together by this azo group or this N double bond N group, and one of the benzene ring has basically OH group attached to it, and this is nothing but an azodine, and even this azodine acts like a antimicrobial drug. So talking about the next one, we have, so the next is Prontosil. So even this is what we can find a azodine over here. The only thing that we can see over here is, so the thing that we can observe here is instead of OH there is SO2 NH2 group, and in this case basically there is an NH2, and here also there is NH2 group. So therefore this is basically derived from the azodine, and this is Prontosil. And Prontosil is actually present in our body, and whenever it gets hydrolyzed it will produce another drug which can act like an antimicrobial. So this is what I'm going to talk about. So let us talk about the next. So the next structure is Sulfanilamide. So in this case this is the group that is what we have got to know in Prontosil. That is, whenever the Prontosil gets hydrolyzed, so even this is a group that has been formed, and that is nothing but a benzene that is associated with NH2 and SO2 NH2. So in fact this is also a antimicrobial drug. And now let us discuss about the next one. The next I'm going to talk about is Sulfur Pyridine. So in this case we have basically a benzene that is associated with this NH2, and here basically we can find that is S double bond O double bond O, this is NH, and this is nothing but pyridine, as we can see over here. So therefore this is the structure of sulfur pyridine, which is in fact an antimicrobial drug. So these were the structural formula of few antimicrobial drugs, and that's it. So thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you have understood this video very clearly, and I hope I'll see you next time. Till then, don't forget to subscribe to Ekeeda channel. Thank you so much.